In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off or remove age restriction on YouTube. Before we start, it's important to understand what age restriction actually is. YouTube uses it to limit content that may not be appropriate for younger audiences. When age restriction is turned on, certain videos might be hidden or require you to verify your age. If you're an adult and you keep getting blocked from content you know is safe for you, adjusting this setting can make your experience a lot smoother. First, open YouTube in your browser or on the YouTube app, and make sure you're signed in to your account. Age-related settings are tied to your Google account, so you'll need to be logged in to change them. If you share your device, you may also want to double-check you're on the correct account, so you're editing the right settings. Next, go to your account settings. On desktop, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Settings. On mobile, tap your profile icon in the top right and look for Settings at the bottom of the menu. This is where YouTube stores your general, privacy, and playback controls, including anything related to restricted or age-sensitive content. Once you're in Settings, look for an option related to restricted mode or content filtering. On desktop, this is usually found under the General or Account section. And at the very bottom, you'll see Restricted Mode. On mobile, it might appear under General as well. Restricted Mode is a filter that hides videos YouTube flags as potentially mature. If this is turned on, you'll see fewer age-restricted videos, and some content may not appear in search at all. To remove or turn off this restriction, simply toggle Restricted Mode off. On desktop, switch the button so it's disabled, and on mobile, tap the toggle so it no longer shows as active. If you're on a shared or supervised device, you might see a message saying that restricted mode is locked by your network administrator or by a family manager. In that case, you'll need that person to sign in and adjust the setting for you. After turning it off, refresh YouTube or close and reopen the app. Try searching for a video you previously couldn't watch to confirm the change. If you still see age restriction warnings, check your Google account's age and any family link or supervision settings that might be limiting content. And that's it. By following these steps, you can control how much age-restricted content appears in your YouTube experience and make sure the settings match what's appropriate for you.